Good morning! So, katatapos ko lang ng makeup gig and I'm here right now sa reception. Sa bahay lang nila and we're going to, wait for the retouch for the bride. Pasensya na if merong, hopefully hindi siya makapirighted pero yeah. I did the, parang, airbrush makeup for the bride / traditional and then tatlong entourage. So, yeah. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga clips before and after. And thank you so much again for watching this video. So, lately, wala akong mga videos, guys, because I'm super busy with makeup gigs. And hopefully, naintindihan nyo. So, thank you! Bye-bye! See you soon! Kumusta imong feeling?
Kulbahan ako.
Close eyes, gang. And mata. Tanaw sa pikas. And other side. Pikas side. Do. Tuara.